Greetings to you, my Utah crew, my Utah Warriors. What is up? What is up in Awesomeville today? Are you unleashing your awesomeness today? Are you unleashing your awesomeness today? I know I am. I know we are. Yes, my friend, you are. Thank you for being here, sharing your awesomeness, unleashing your awesomeness, and spreading your awesomeness with me. I appreciate you, my friend. And I just wanted to come on here and talk about some authenticity in our authenticity chapter. In the spirit of authenticity, we are on day 13. I do believe because yesterday, yes, it was day 12, beatboxing. So today, authenticity, day number 13, we are talking about in our 30 days of awesomeness. Talk about it. You ain't gonna talk about it. Talk about it. We talk about something that I mentioned, on the vulnerability chapter. I was talking about, the being trapped in that virtual world. But now instead of using it as a negative, I'm going to talk about it in the positive. So I flip that around. I love flipping things on their head, right? Reverse that, double-sided. Now talk about why you love it, right? Don't talk about the damage it has done. Talk about why you love it. So, video games. I'm over here in the garage. I just came today. I just got off the Greyhound bus, came back to the old house, and it's a messy garage, but hey, it's all good. We got stuff over here and some games here. Hey, and I literally just pressed the live button and I said, you know what, Jerome, just talk about it. Don't even prepare anything. I got no notes. I ain't even do the meditation. This is all off the cuff, So I'm just going to randomly just talk about whatever I pull out here. So this was an awesome game right here. Chronicles of Riddick. Vin Diesel did a bang-up job on this game and the game before it. The one before it was Butcher Bay. And he is just he's just an awesome actor and an awesome video game actor as well. He just, he really inspired me with these games. He's a badass, all-around badass guy. Ooh-wee, man, one of my favorite games of all time. Tekken is a game that I can play till old age. I will always love Tekken. Tekken is my game, man. And if you think that you could beat me in this game, woo, put your money where your mouth is, because Tekken is my joint, if you know what I'm on. Mass Effect 3, wow, yeah, Mass Effect was an awesome series. I don't know how this really stood against the other ones, but I do know that... Mass Effect was an awesome game. And I also read the novels as well, seen the anime for Mass Effect, and read the books. So that was awesome. Ooh, Dead Space. Yes, Dead Space. The whole series, 1, 2, and 3. Man, I wish they made another game, man. Man, why did EA have to go and shut down Visceral Games, man? That broke my heart. It broke my heart, man. Dead Space... You got a special place in my heart, Dead Space, man. This game is just terrifying, especially the first and the second one. The third one was more of a multiplayer one, but the first and the second one were definitely terrifying. Dark spaces, cramped spaces, aliens, spaceships, sci-fi, if you're into that. Really claustrophobic areas, just getting you in tight corners. So Dead Space, shout out to you. Ooh, Red Dead Redemption, yes. Definitely. What is it? John Marston. I think that's what his name was. John Marston. Man, still remember his name. That should tell you a little something. Red Dead Redemption. Awesome game. Yeah, there he is. John Marston. So, yeah, Red Dead Redemption. Awesome game. Love Rockstar. Love the Grand Theft Auto series. Many hours. Many hours. Woo! Hitman. Now, this is my game. My friends say that a man's game is Street Fighter. I think this is a man's game, in my opinion. Hitman, the whole series, Hitman series has been so good to me when it comes to strategy, when it comes to planning out your attack, planning out, the ROE, the rules of engagement, planning out just really being calculated on your next move, taking out your targets methodically, Silent Assassin, Hitman Contracts, Hitman Blood Money, love these games. So classic. Love the music as well, the musical score. Max Payne, yes, awesome game as well. That's another Rockstar. See, there you go, Hitman, man, Agent 47. You my man, bro. You my dog. Let's see. Ooh, this was one of my favorite games to play multiplayer. Kane and Lynch Dog Days 2. Me and my friends, we would always go on games like Modern Warfare and Call of Duty, and we would play them on the hardest difficulty, nothing less but the hardest difficulty. We had to challenge ourselves. There was no point. There was no point otherwise if you weren't challenging yourself. So, yeah, me and my friends, man, we had some good times, man. Just kicking it back, playing these games, and just mastering ourselves, our mind, and just pushing ourselves to the brink, to the limit, to where you wanted to throw the controller at the TV, right? You just were almost about to give up, and that's when you had the breakthrough. That's when you broke through. So even though video games, you could say I wasted a lot of my life, you could say I wasted a lot of my time, it actually taught me. It gave me the perseverance, the persistence, and just to be able to break through, to be able to go beyond that tipping point, that threshold that most people quit. Video games actually taught me how not to do that, how to push past that and go into the zone of the unknown. So Kane and Lynch, Dog Days 2, that was definitely one of the games that pushed me mentally. That is not for the faint of heart. Definitely not. Now, this is a classic. One of my favorite games of all time, if not my favorite game of all time. This game, I still haven't finished this game. And let me explain. This game, I love this game so much, but I never finished it because I literally wanted to do every single side quest that this game had to offer. And since this game had so many side quests, just like Skyrim, I never got through it. I didn't even want to touch the main quest until I took out all of the side quests. So this game has a special place in my heart. Love the musical score. In fact, I get a lot of my work done and I even meditate to the musical score. So this game has a special place in my heart. Shout out to, I think, Todd Howard. Shout out to the crew at Bethesda for making such a classic in my eyes. And let me do one more. Yeah, Star Wars, Knights of the Old Republic. Classic, man. This is an awesome game. And also Jade Empire. I think it was made by the same people. Oh, no, Jade Empire was BioWare. Yeah, this is Obsidian. So this is those same people that made Fallout New Vegas, I think. So yeah, Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic 2, awesome game. Many different storylines, pathways, and many ways to play this game. You can go dark side, you can go light side, but every choice you make has a consequence, just like in real life. Every choice we make, it's that karma that comes back around, the circle of life. Everything that you do in this game was coming back to you. Even something small as just a bit of dialogue, saying one thing, a word to somebody, when you could have said something else, can come back to bite you in the end. So this game really taught me about consequences. The things that we do matter. They matter. See, it even says that. This time your choices affect everyone around you, right? Yeah. It was teaching me, right? Every action has a reaction. So just knowing that I can take that into my business and my life today, knowing that everything that I do comes back to me in some shape, form, or fashion. So this was just a peek into, my life or my former life, or I really don't often play video games, if at all, today. But it was just a very large portion of my childhood and my adolescent years, and also, a large portion of my 20s as well. So it wasn't up until recently that, not like I took a vow of silence for video games or anything like that, but I just kind of stepped away from them and stepped into a higher purpose, you would say, a higher path. And I may go back one day, when I've, fully mastered myself and really kind of gone headway into what I've come here to do, but that day is not today. So, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you enjoyed this little segment of authenticity here, and don't be afraid to put up your authenticity, right? We want to see you. We want to see you and your authentic self. So stay awesome. Just like Jade Chantalenksi says, stay awesome, my friend. You can do it. Take the challenge. If you have not started, just do it. You got it. You have it in you. There's nothing to it but to do it. Welcome to the newest members of the Utah crew. And we will see you down in the comment section, my friend. Be wonderful, be blessed. Have an awesome rest of your day. And be productive. Always, always.